We've become used to complicated leaks for Google phones, but the most recent one is possibly the most strange of them. YouTuber PBK Reviews has posted his newest breakdown video, which focuses on the Google Pixel 7a, a phone that is likely to be launched next week at Google I/O, the company's annual developer conference. Despite the fact that the Pixel 7a is not officially available for purchase, YouTuber Munchie seems to have purchased it from the used phone market in Arctic Blue. His hands-on and first impressions video verifies that all of the phone's rumored features are correct, including a 6.1-inch FHD plus 90Hz display, Tensor G2 chipset, OLED screen, 8 gigs of RAM, and a 4,300 mAh battery with wireless charging capabilities. Surprisingly, the YouTuber points out that the Pixel 7a's display bezels are bigger than those of the Pixel 6a. In terms of cameras, he claims that the images from the main and ultra-wide shooters are excellent, and that the selfie camera can capture 4K videos. The cheap Pixel does not include an action or cinematic mode, unlike the Pixel 7 series. Another video shows YouTuber PKB disassembling the Pixel 7a, exposing internal design modifications. While phones often leak ahead of their official release, breakdown videos are uncommon. The Pixel 7a, like the Pixel 6a, can be taken apart from the front for screen replacement. This basic fix will not need you to disassemble the phone. On the other hand, the Pixel 7a's USB-C connection, like the Pixel 6a and Pixel 7 series, is soldered to the logic board, making repair or replacement excessively complex. The video also shows the new 64-megapixel main camera with OIS on the mid-range Pixel. The new sensor is substantially bigger than the previous 12.2-megapixel shooter. Despite the significant hardware increase, the Pixel 7a's interior design layout is comparable to that of the Pixel 6a. The Pixel 7a has a repairability rating of 7.5 out of 10 from PBK Reviews. In his deconstruction video, the Pixel 6a received a 7 for repairability. At this time, Google hasn't revealed anything about the Pixel 7a at its annual developer conference on May 10th. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.